Hi Ayush. Mommy is going to be getting you these particular dinosaur toys, probably. So, can you tell me the names of the dinosaurs?
Okay, there are 12 in it, so I'll tell you. First one is Tyrannosaurus, second one Carnotaurus, third one Allosaurus, fourth one Baryonyx, fifth one Blue Velociraptor,
How do you learn all this? How did you? Okay, then.
and wait, let's count. Okay, first is Tyrannosaurus, second is Baryonyx, third is Carnotaurus, fourth is Allosaurus, fifth is Indoraptor, sixth is Blue Velociraptor, seventh is the Indominus Rex, eighth is Metracanthosaurus, ninth is the Stegosaurus, 10th is the Triceratops, and 11th is the Apatosaurus. So there are 11.
My God, Ayush, how do you know so many dinosaurs?
I collected 2 bites ratings from my toys.
Okay. And how have you learnt about these different dinosaurs?
Fossils, which I found.
Through YouTube videos?
No, which I found
Where did you find the fossils?
at my house.
In Daddy's room.
No.
So it's so interesting. Ayush, people are watching this. They will be watching you. So this is so nice. You want me to get you this toy?
Yeah.
It is $1,600 and it's on Amazon. You ask your Ashima, if she agrees, then maybe thing. But it's an in-orbit mall also. Once the toy comes, we'll try and do a recording there. So on that note,
It's still in orbit. I went to in orbit with my dad. It's still in.
okay. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.